Pregnancy without ejaculation, is it possible?
Hello, viewers. Today, we're tackling a fascinating question related to human reproduction. Can a woman get pregnant without ejaculation happening inside the vagina? This is a topic filled with misconceptions, so let's dive in to clarify and understand the science behind it.
Understanding the basics.
First things first, we need to understand the basics of human reproduction. Pregnancy occurs when sperm meets an egg during ovulation, which typically happens midway through the menstrual cycle. Sperm is most commonly delivered to the egg through ejaculation during sexual intercourse.
The role of precum.
But what about situations where ejaculation doesn't happen inside the vagina? Here's where things can get tricky. There's something known as pre-ejaculate, or precum, that's worth discussing. This is a fluid that can be released from the penis during arousal, before ejaculation. While this fluid primarily serves as a lubricant, it may potentially contain small amounts of sperm. The key word here is potentially. There is some debate among scientists about this, with studies showing varying results. While it's generally agreed that the sperm concentration in pre-ejaculate is far lower than in ejaculate, there is a small chance that precum could result in pregnancy.
Other factors to consider.
There are also other factors to consider, such as the viability of sperm. Sperm can live inside the female body for up to 5 days, meaning intercourse without ejaculation that occurs several days before ovulation could theoretically result in pregnancy if ejaculation occurred earlier or later in a different sexual act. Additionally, it's worth mentioning that accidental ejaculation near the vaginal area could potentially lead to pregnancy. Even if the ejaculation happens outside, sperm can find their way to an egg if they are close enough to the vaginal opening. In conclusion, while the chances are significantly lower, it's important to understand that it is theoretically possible to get pregnant without ejaculation happening inside the vagina. These scenarios are far from the norm, but understanding them helps us have a more comprehensive knowledge of human reproduction. As always, it's important to use reliable methods of contraception if you want to avoid pregnancy. And remember, none of these methods protect against sexually transmitted infections, so safe sex is crucial. We hope this video has been informative and helpful in understanding the intricacies of human reproduction.